Hello guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Jopasu car duster. It is one of the most best selling product in car cleaning products, and also it is made in India. So let's unbox this. This is how the product looks. Nice packaging. This is my second one. Nice quality, nice grip. This is the quality of the handle. This is plastic body. See, these are the cotton strands which are waxed. Nice quality. And this is the washable part. You can even wash it after using it for long time. See, look at the quality of the cotton strands. These are very nice, very smooth. This is totally washable, and this costed me around 710 rupees. The MRP here shows 759, but we can get this in Amazon or Flipkart, and even in Jopasu official website also. Yeah, the price may vary from 650 to 710. Looks good now. So this is a car, and you can see there is so much of dirt on it. I think this is the best time to test this product. Let's start. See. And also one more thing I want to tell is this does not work on wet surfaces. This is only good in dry surfaces. You can look at the difference. It is easily visible. See, this is the difference. Usually we need to start cleaning the glass part and then towards the body, so that the glasses won't get scratched. Just look at the differences, it's clearly evident. See here. See now. So here is the difference. This is how the duster looks after cleaning. It might get dirty, but it doesn't matter. It does its job. At least for 6 to 8 months, this will be efficient. After that, we need to spray some kind of Jopasu rejuvenator, which again enhances the quality of the duster.